you looking for a near RFO lots in the serene community of Nuvali? If yes, you will want to watch this video because this opportunity might be exactly what you've been waiting for. This is Jenilyn Deligos, also known as the Elegance Estate. If you're someone who's been searching for a near RFO lot in Nuvali, especially kung gusto mo yung pwede mo nang tayuan agad, then this video might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Because, let's be honest, hindi madaling humanap ng lot in Nuvali that gives you the perfect balance of location, timing, and long-term value. But here, in Aberdeen Estates Nuvali, you're not just investing in a property. You're securing a lifestyle, a premium environment, and a future-ready address. So if Nuvali living is a part of your plan, whether for your dream home or for investment, stay with me because you're going to love what I'm about to show you. But before that, let's have a quick drive tour. I want to show you the developments and the surrounding and some of the exciting establishments here in Nuvali. Especially Metro Nuvali, nakaka-launch lang din po. Let me first show you the estate details, existing establishments at ongoing developments dito sa Nuvali para mas gets nyo kung gaano kalaki yung potential ng area. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Nuvali is the largest development and eco-city by Ayala Land, located in Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao, Laguna. Nuvali spans 2,500 hectares, that's twice the size of Makati and 10 times bigger than BGC. Kaya hindi lang siya ordinary community. It's a self-sustaining city in the south, built for families who want balance, growth, and green living. At para mas organized ang development, Nuvali is divided into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. We've launched Metro Nuvali, the future BGC of Nuvali, with a more relaxed, greener, and lifestyle. So currently, we are here in Nuvali North, the main commercial hub of Nuvali and the location of Metro Nuvali. Metro Nuvali is a 200-hectare central business district representing the next exciting chapter of Ayala Land CBDs. Strategically positioned in the rising south and envisioned as the next BGC in the making. We have 3 main districts in Metro Nuvali and bawat isa ay may mga unique purpose. We have a Lakeside District, ito po yung mga lifestyle and leisure. And the second is yung Central District, ito naman po yung may mga business at commercial core. And the last is yung Civic Districts, ito naman po yung may mga government, culture at community hub. Ang Lakeside District ay isang strategically planned 100-hectare lifestyle hub na magsisilbing pangunahing destination po dito sa Metro Nuvali. So, ang Lakeside District ay isa naman po itong active lifestyle at commercial zone sa Metro Nuvali. Dito makikita mo yung man-made lake kung saan makikita natin yung mga koi fish na kasalukuyang sumasailalim po siya sa Ayala Lands Replanning upang masiguro po natin na sustainable at long-term ang development. Ito ay magbibigay ng strong lifestyle appeal at value appreciation sa mga surroundings property. So, nandito po yung Ayala Mall Solinad 1, 2, at 3 at kasalukuyang ding ginagawa po yung Solinad 4 na ngayon ay kilala na po bilang Ayala Malls Nuvali. Located din po dito yung Seda Hotel para sa leisure at business stays. Andito rin po yung Ayala Land Offices, Museum for Architectures and Residences, Landers at SNR, at yung mga standalone big box retail stores tulad po ng Jollibee, McDonald's, Coffee Bean Tea Leaf at Uniqlo. Malapit din po ang SM Neo Verde, ang bagong flagship mall under SM Prime Holdings, and it will have a 1 hectare air-conditioned indoor garden. At may gross floor area naman po ito ng 190,000 square meters. Ito po yung pang-apat na pinakamalaking SM sa buong Pilipinas at ang pinakamalaki sa buong Calabarzon, inspired by SM Aura, pero this time even better na. And our next district is the Central District. So ito po yung 40 hectares area na designed to serve as the business and commercial core of Metro Nuvali. Ito po yung magiging economic heart ng Metro Nuvali kung saan matatagpuan po yung mga offices, corporate hubs at commercial spaces. Dito ilalagay yung mga office towers at corporate hubs at commercial developments na magge-generate po ng mga employment at investments. Dito rin po posibleng itayo yung mga mid-rise buildings, schools, at hospitals, plus yung 3 hectare Central Park na connected po siya sa East Block Garden. And now, the last district of Metro Nuvali is the Civic District. Ito naman po yung merong 60 hectares. Ito ay dinesign para sa mga everyday convenience at long-term value. So dito, planning po itayo ang church na magsisilbing spiritual center ng community. Noong March 2025, in-announce din po na magtatayo po ng 2 hectare civic complex na maglalaman po ng sport complex, one-stop shop government offices, satellite city hall, command center, education hub, convention center, and hotel. So, lahat po ng essential services at community activities ay nandito na po sa Civic District. Bukod pa rito, magkakaroon po tayo ng additional access papuntang Tagaytay via Casili Road para sa mas maayos na travel at connectivity. So, andito naman po tayo sa Rotonda. Yung first exit po niyan ay Casili Road, connect to Nuvali, Tagaytay. So, around 15 to 20 minutes lang, nasa Highland ka na. So, yung second exit naman po, yan naman po yung papuntang Nuvali Central. At makikita mo agad dyan yung guardhouse. As we go further inside Nuvali Central, makikita naman po natin dito sa right side yung Central Block. So, isa po itong 12 hectare commercial area that will serve as the next lifestyle and retail hub here in Nuvali. Isa sa mga exciting updates dito is ongoing construction na rin po yung Merry Mart at The Shops. Ini-envision po ni Ayala Land na maging parang Alabang Town Center ang ambience ng area. Pero this time, right inside Nuvali na. Lalo na sa mga residents ng Nuvali Central, para ka nang may sariling city center right outside of your home. Malapit na din ang ginagawang first mid-rise and pet-friendly condo which is Solara Park Stories Nuvali. So makikita mo dito, isa sa mga strategic location at malapit mismo sa Xavier School, kaya ideal po ito para sa families at long-term investors. Dito sa Nuvali, may mga top schools din po tayo, like yung kaninang na-mention ko, yung Xavier School, Miriam College at Everest Academy na nagbibigay ng high-quality education sa loob mismo ng community. Malapit din po ang UST, UE, LaSalle at soon National University, kaya tinatawag po itong University Belt of the South. Sa left side naman po, makikita naman po ninyo yung bakod ng Rockwell which is 60 to 70 hectares in size. So technically, hindi po siya part ng Nuvali pero nakadikit po siya along Nuvali Boulevard. Kaya may mga usap-usapan din po na magkakaroon din po ng power plant mall, and with Rockwell's reputation sa high-end developments, malaking bagay po ito, both Rockwell and Nuvali will benefit from it. So nandito naman po tayo ngayon sa Nuvali Boulevard. So papunta po tayo sa mga residential communities na located po sa Nuvali South. As you can see, elevated na po yung road at paakyat na po tayo, which is part of Nuvali's Master Plan Road Network. So bago po tayo makarating sa Nuvali South, sa pinakatumbok po nitong T-Road, may plan po na 10 hectares alfresco mall na itatayo po dyan. Isa sa magagandang plano ng Nuvali ay bawat district ay may mga commercial center. At kung may mga property ka dito sa Nuvali South, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Soledad kasi meron ka ng sariling mall na malapit sa'yo. Dito naman sa Nuvali South, makikita natin ang mas relaxed and residential side ng Nuvali. A peaceful and nature-filled environment that perfectly balance city, convenience, and suburban charm. In our right side, papunta na po tayo sa Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. So ito po yung Forest Avenue Road. So imagine, this road, dalawa lang po yung community ang mag-sharing dito, which is yung Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Magkakaroon din po dito ng landscape sa gitna Then sa gilid may planting strip na gagawin. Then yung magkakaroon din po ng walk path and may mga trees din po na ilalagay na kagaya din po sa Nuvali Boulevard. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley. So this is one of the development na malapit na po ma-turnover. And yes, turnover happening this year. And if mapapansin nyo na napakahangin po dito, because Aberdeen Estates sits on a high elevation ranging from 158 up to 188 meters above sea level, which means cooler breeze, better environment, and more relaxing surroundings. And the best part, you get stunning views of Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, and Tagaytay Ridge. This is not just a lot. This is a lifestyle upgrade. Guys, pagpasok pa lang, makikita mo agad yung difference. Wide yung main road, maluwag, premium feel agad, and wait, these open spaces, hindi pa yan yung final look because everything will be landscape, which means mas gaganda pa ito. Even during pre-selling, the lots here at Aberdeen Estates, New Valley were almost sold out na po. Now, limited units are available ranging from 158 square meters up to 237 square meters. For buyers who want a lot where you can start building your dream home right away, this is truly the perfect choice for you. Don't miss the chance to be part of the New Valley's most luxurious communities. Guys, dito po sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley, you can build your own dream house. Pwede niyo po siyang i-design as long as modern, contemporary, or minimalist. Gamit lang ang earth colors para ma-maintain po natin ang airy and relaxing vibe ng community. So wala po siyang eyesores dito Lahat po ng houses, nagbe-blend po siya together with the nature. Pwede kayong magpatayo ng lot pag na-turnover na po ito, pero kung gusto niyo lang po muna as investment, pwede din naman po basta secured na po yung lot. And wala rin po tayong rush pagdating po sa construction, wala po tayong time frame. Kaya you can take your time po. Pagdating naman po sa setbacks, so 3 meters po yung front, 2 meters naman po yung sa sides, and 2 meters naman din po sa back. Pwede nyo pang i-maximize yung one side at back portion as long as may approved firewall. Isa pa pong reason bakit maganda mag-invest dito sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley, especially sa isang Ayala Land community. After po ng property line, so ito po yung walk path, and then yung planting strip, then after naman po neto is yung gutter, and then yung fronting street. So hindi po siya yung typical na subdivision na straight po siya na gutter pagkatapos po ng property line mo. So dito, meron po tayong safe area to walk, yung walk path, which is, it makes the community feel very family friendly and premium. So para ma-visualize nyo po yung house and lot dito sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley, ito yung mga models po natin. Sold out na po ito, pero para lang po magkaroon kayo ng idea. So, ito po, we have a Erin model. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kalaki po ba yung lot area po ng Erin model. So, ito po siya. Etong Erin model na to is 162 square meters. And then yung floor area naman po niya is 98 square meters. So dito sa bahay na to is meron po siyang 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So isa naman po model po natin is yung Solea model. Yung lot area po neto is 172 square meters. And then yung floor area naman po niya is 114 square meters na meron po siyang 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So makikita nyo po dito kung gaano kalaki po yung lot. Kung ito po yung pipiliin nyo po pagdating naman po sa lot only. Guys, para sa amenity area, sobrang complete na po dito sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley. Meron po tayong clubhouse, adult and kiddie pools, multi-purpose hall at indoor gym. At meron din po tayong full-size basketball court din po and beautiful landscape park. Perfect po ito para sa mga bonding moments with family and friends, para na rin sa mga active lifestyle nyo. Kung ang concern nyo ay sa paghahanap ng contractor, hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-alala. Pwede ko po kayong tulungan kasi pwede po tayong kumuha ng contractor dito sa labas. And mula po sa reservation, turnover at bank financing, I can assist you po. I am also home loan broker. Accredited kami sa almost all commercial banks, so maa-assist po namin kayo sa inyong loan application. Kumbaga, one-stop shop na po kami para mas smooth at hassle-free po ang buong process po natin. So guys, that's it for our tour sa Aberdeen Estates, New Valley. I hope na na-convince ko kayo na dito mag-retire at mag-invest dito sa New Valley. Dito, hindi lang yung property yung binibili mo, kundi the whole community plus Ayala's premium development at isa pong peaceful at family-friendly environment. So kung naghahanap kayo ng near RFO lots na merong flexible designed options at complete amenities, don't miss out dahil very limited lang po yung mga lots po natin dito. Message me now and let's make your dream home happen. Kindly send me a message to my Viber or WhatsApp, that is 0927-378-0178. Visit my Facebook page, that is The Elegant Estate, Ayala Land by Jenilyn Deligos. Make sure to like, share, and hit the notification bells to get the latest update on Nuvali's properties and developments. Once again, this is me, Jenilyn Deligos, The Elegant Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South.